Hey friends, if you wish to find the RAM serial number, RAM type, etc., basically the details of the RAM on your system, then please watch this video. It's easy. The command is WMIC space memory chip space list space full. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open the regular command prompt window. Paste this command here or type this command here and hit enter. I have shared this command in the description section of the video. As you can see that the details have been mentioned here, it is a physical RAM, it is not a virtual RAM, and the serial number is also mentioned here somewhere. So the physical memory is this. Yeah, the serial number is this one, and the type and all the information will be mentioned here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.